hand in hand. That's true for everyone, veggie or not. When you're active, your body needs the right fuel to keep going. This is even more important for all you vegetarians out there. You need to make sure you're getting enough protein and other nutrients to support your workouts. The good news is, there's a whole world of delicious plant-based foods that can help you achieve your fitness goals. We're going to dive deep into the best vegetarian foods for fitness. We'll explore everything from plant-based proteins and complex carbs to healthy fats, leafy greens, and the importance of hydration. Get ready to discover some tasty meal ideas and learn how these foods can help you build muscle, lose weight, and feel your absolute best. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this guide will give you the knowledge to make smart food choices and unlock your full potential, all while enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. Let's get started. Protein is vital, especially if you're into fitness. It helps build and repair muscles after all those intense workouts. Now you might be thinking, but Jamie, can I get enough protein on a vegetarian diet? Absolutely. There are loads of plant-based protein sources that are just as good, if not better, than meat. Lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, edamame, these are your new best mates. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that'll keep you feeling full and energized. Throw some lentils in a hearty soup, toss chickpeas into a salad, or stir-fry some tofu with your favorite veggies. The possibilities are endless. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and find what you enjoy most. Eating healthy shouldn't be boring, right? Carbs often get a bad rap, but trust me, they're not the enemy. In fact, they're your body's primary source of energy. The key is to choose the right kind of carbs, complex carbs. Think sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These bad boys are packed with fiber, which helps regulate your blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. No more energy crashes mid-workout. Sweet potatoes are a brilliant source of vitamin A, which is great for healthy vision and immunity. Brown rice is a good source of magnesium, which is essential for muscle function. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, perfect for muscle building and repair. And oats? They're a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. See, carbs aren't so bad after all. Repeat after me, fat is not the enemy. That's right, healthy fats are essential for a balanced diet and can actually help you achieve your fitness goals. They're crucial for hormone production, brain function, and even help your body recover after a tough workout. Avocados, almonds, and chia seeds are your new secret weapons. Avocados are like nature's buttercreamy, delicious, and packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And chia seeds? These tiny powerhouses are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for reducing inflammation and boosting brain function. So, go ahead, add some avocado to your salad, snack on a handful of almonds, or sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt. Your body will thank you for it. Section 5, Leafy Greens, your secret weapon for peak performance. Leafy greens are like the superheroes of the vegetable world, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your body. Spinach, kale, and arugula should be your go-to greens for peak performance. Spinach is a great source of iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen to your muscles. Kale is loaded with vitamin K, which is important for bone health, and arugula has a peppery bite that adds a delicious kick to any salad. Don't be afraid to get creative with your greens. Throw them in smoothies, stir-fries, or even bake them into chips for a healthy snack. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Hydration is key. Quench your thirst for success. We all know water is essential for life, but it's even more crucial when you're pushing your body to the limit. Staying hydrated helps regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients, and flush out toxins. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. If you're looking for a tasty alternative to plain water, try coconut water. It's naturally sweet and packed with electrolytes, which are lost through sweat. Just be sure to choose unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Remember, listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and decreased performance, so stay hydrated and stay on top of your game. Section 7, Pre-Workout Fuel. Power up your performance. Before you hit the gym or pound the pavement, it's important to fuel your body with the right nutrients. You need something that will give you sustained energy without weighing you down. Here are a couple of my favorite pre-workout snacks: banana and almond butter toast. This classic combo provides a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. The carbohydrates in the banana provide quick energy, while the protein and fats in the almond butter help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Greek yogurt with berries and granola. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, while berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Granola adds a bit of crunch and some extra carbohydrates for sustained energy. Remember, listen to your body and experiment to find what works best for you. Some people prefer to eat a larger meal a couple of hours before working out, while others do better with a smaller snack closer to their workout time. The key is to find what makes you feel your best and helps you perform at your peak. Section 8. Post-workout recovery. Replenish and rebuild. After a tough workout, your body needs the right nutrients to repair muscle tissue, replenish energy stores, and promote recovery. This is where a well-balanced post-workout meal or snack comes in. Try these post-workout options. Tofu scramble with veggies. This protein-packed scramble is a great way to replenish your muscles and get a healthy dose of veggies. Add your favorite vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, and peppers for extra nutrients and flavor. Quinoa salad with chickpeas and avocado. This salad is a delicious and nutritious way to refuel after a workout. Quinoa provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, chickpeas offer plant-based protein, and avocado adds healthy fats and creaminess. Remember to hydrate properly after your workout as well. Water, coconut water, or a sports drink can help replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. Listen to your body and give it the nutrients it needs to recover and rebuild stronger than ever. Section 9. Vegetarian vitality, fuel your fitness goals. So there you have it, folks. Being vegetarian doesn't mean you have to miss out on any of the good stuff when it comes to fitness nutrition. By incorporating a variety of plant-based proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, leafy greens, and staying hydrated, you can fuel your workouts, achieve your fitness goals, and feel your absolute best. Remember, it's all about balance, variety, and enjoying your food. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, try new recipes, and find what works best for you. With a little planning and effort, you can nourish your body from the inside out and unlock your full athletic potential, all while enjoying delicious and satisfying vegetarian meals. Now go out there and smash those fitness goals.